hello, namaste, adab. Welcome and welcome back to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are at Kokapet. We are here to show you a very beautiful project, good for investment. Kokapet, as you all know, it has developed a lot in the recent past and it has become like a proper residential area which very well connects with the high-tech city and Gachibowli. This is the villa project that you are seeing. These are the villas that are under construction. Each villa and the plot size is 300 to 375 square yards. This is a model plot, model villa that you are seeing now. They have come up with a very innovative concept of each villa with two road access. Once we enter into the model villa, you will be able to see the proper, get to know the proper view of this. These are the other villas. Both east and west facing villas are being constructed. This is being done by very well known project team. So it's a very good place for investment and very nice project that you can go for. Now let's enter into the model villa. This is the entrance door that you are seeing and the staircase that connects to the next floor. Duplex house. This is a hall, spacious hall with centralized AC. All the minimum facilities are provided. I'll get into the project details shortly once after we look at the model villa. This is the elevator that goes to the next floor. Just in case if any elders who are unable to take the staircase, then they can use the elevator. It's a dining hall with a transparent door that connects to the other side of the villa. And this is an open kitchen. For now, it's arranged for customers to sit and have the conversation about the project, but this is an open kitchen that we have. There's the attached wash area. All the electric points are also provided in this model villa. This is the attached wash area that you can see that connects to the other side of the villa. Very well constructed. Even the wash area detailing is very good. You can see the tiles also, quality of the tiles. This is a bedroom in the ground floor with the attached toilet. You can see the detailing of the model villa also, how well it has been constructed. So the same way we will have different sizes of villas. So 300 to 375 square yards. The plot sizes varies and dependent on the plot size, the villa will be constructed. Now let's take the staircase, go to the first floor and see how it is. You can see the designing of the staircase also, the steps. Very decently it has been constructed. Good elevation and good ventilation also that is provided to the entire villa, and in the same way the other villas will also be constructed. This is the open area and the staircase that connects to the next floor. We have the elevator that we have seen in the ground floor, and this is one of the bedrooms in the first floor with a centralized AC. In the attached bathroom, you can see the tiles that are used in the wash areas also and the bathroom. It's a very good place to invest and very decent villas that are being constructed here. So please do let us know. Please do call us on the numbers that are provided in the description to get more details about it and if you are interested to buy these villas. This is the elevator that we have seen. And this is another bedroom, very elegant and bright. You can see a lot of importance has been given to the quality and the ventilation based on the tiles, the windows, and the detailing that team has taken care of. You can get to know about it. This is a bathroom that connects to the with the attached bathroom. It's been separated. Both toilet and the bathroom has been separated. Centralized AC facility that has been provided. Now let's check the other rooms. This is a very big balcony that you can see, relax. You can, the interior decoration of it can be planned really well if you have that kind of taste of interior designing. And the opposite, there are other villas that are getting constructed. So please do call us on the numbers provided if you're interested to buy these villas. Trust me, if this is a very good place to invest, and this is a very good project to invest in if you can afford. Price per square feet is 13,000. So based on that, as I mentioned earlier, there are 35 luxury villas, each constructed in 300 to 375 square yards, and the entire project is in 4.25 acres of land, and each villa with two road access. This is the innovative concept that they have come up with, and the built up area would vary based on the plot sizes, that is 300 to 375 square yards. So if we take the built up area, then it will be 4087 to 4570 square feet built up area that comes based on the plot sizes. Now we took the staircase, and yeah, you can see this is the attached bathroom. Latest model of construction. If you can see this can be made as a shower cubicle also, but already the differentiation has been done for the toilet and the bathroom. All the plumbing work is already being taken care of in this model villa, and the first quality of electric wires or switchboards or plumbing lines or taps, everything has been considered. The first quality has been used. Even the doors, you can see design is very decent. And this is another room with the centralized AC. False ceiling is also done, and the flooring, wood kind of flooring has been done. And the big door that connects to the balcony. Very good ventilation. It is very important these days to have a good ventilation for a house. So all the concepts has been taken care of very well by the team. We have a clubhouse also with 7,500 square feet in the project. So in 4.25 acres of land, 35 luxury villas are coming up, and with main entrance gate, security cabin, clubhouse, prime driveway, swimming pool, tot lot, joggers track, outdoor garden seating area. So per square feet they are charging 13,000. So if you're interested, please do call us on the numbers. We just now check this room. This is the elevator that connects to the second floor also. It is also very important because elders cannot take the staircase. Initially, duplex houses, they were not planned with the elevators, but recently this has been taken care. This is a terrace that you can see, and almost all the villas are done. So if you're interested, please, this is the right time to book your villa in this project. You can see all the residential areas that have being developed already, and it's a L&T one. NCC Urban and other international schools also are nearby to this project. These are all the high-rise buildings that you can see, which are very near to this project. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Telangana Properties Hub for more videos, and you can also call us and ask us if you have any queries about this project, and if you are interested to know more details and if you are interested to buy this villa, please do let us know by calling on our numbers that are provided in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.